Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a giveaway and I'm going to get straight to the point because I know y'all want to see what's in the giveaway. For those who are new here, my name is Candace. I do beauty, fashion, lifestyle videos. For those who are not new, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in once again. Thanks for continuing to stay subscribed. And also, I have a second channel, which I am promoting now. And I don't know if I told you, I did tell y'all, but I don't know if I uploaded the video where I told y'all. I am separating my content. Right now, I feel like I do way too much on here. I do fashion, beauty, luxury, food, lifestyle, travel. And it's like, so I decided to actually separate my content. This channel will be continuing to be for beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. Food and travel will go under lifestyle. And then my brand new channel will be for strictly luxury fashion, strictly high-end beauty. So your high expensive beauty products will be on there, like Dior, Natasha Denona, Hermes, things like that. And then designer bags, my collection, all of that. If that sounds like something you're interested in subscribing to, this giveaway will be perfect for you because the main requirement for this giveaway is for you to be subscribed to both of my YouTube channels. And also coming up, you will want to be subscribed to that new channel because I'll be giving away free Louis Vuitton. And I'm not going to tell you what it is yet. You'll have to subscribe to find out and stick around as well because I'll be giving that away shortly after uploading this video. So let's dive right in. So I have quite a bit of products. I'm so sorry. He sees a dog, and when he sees a dog, there's no calming him down. Okay, hey. Okay, maybe he's chill now. This is a lot of products. I'm gonna dive right in. It's a bunch of beauty for this time. Because again, I'm only posting beauty stuff and fashion and lifestyle on this channel. And then my actual Louis Vuitton giveaway will be on my luxury channel, which will be linked down below. It will be included in the rules, don't worry, okay? Let's dive right in. I don't want this to be 20 minutes. I literally have this bubble wrap and ready to go as soon as a winner is selected. So, first, I have this pouch from Luxie. You could use it to hold your makeup brushes, to hold lip products, to carry anything you want in your purse when you travel, etc. I have a few liquid lip color and long wear lip liner duos, I believe. These are all from Navy Beauty. So yeah, there's a lip gloss and a lip liner in each one. Kind of like those Kylie lip kits a little bit. I have 4 of those. I have Pink Sands. I'm going to show them all to you. They all look the same, just different color schemes. I have Maui Wowie. I have Beach Day and also Tan Line. Of those 4. I also have the Monica Dar Beauty Luxe Lash Serum. Everything's brand new, of course. I have a Neutrogena Beach Defense Water and Sun Protection Sunscreen Spray. This is SPF 70. I have an Essence Beauty. This is the Air Eyeshadow Palette. Here's the color scheme. Still has the plastic on there, of course. I have the Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer. Comes in a rose gold package like this. This came in one of my subscription boxes. I'm not sure which one. This is what it looks like. So it'll work for quite a few people. I also have a random. This is a Proof old-fashioned cocktail syrup. The flavor is maple bacon. You can put this in cocktails, version drinks. The reason I'm getting rid of this, number 1, I'm a vegetarian, so I don't drink anything like this. You know, I can't use this. I have 2 other flavors that are vegetarian friendly. And I didn't want to throw this away. The only person in our house is my stepson that is, you know, a meat eater still. And he doesn't need a cocktail syrup. He's too young, first of all, unless he makes a version drink. But even then, he's not interested in anything fancy like this, so I figured I'd throw it in a giveaway. I'm giving away the Hello Body Cocoa Fresh Face Cleansing Foam. Also from Hello Body. And I don't think this comes with like a lid or anything, because my other one didn't have a lid either. I thought that was weird. It's new, okay? This is the Hello Body Cocoa Day Daily Face Lotion. So literally you get an entire skincare set from Hello Body. I have 2 sets, so I have, you know, an additional one to give away. Also from Hello Body, this is the Cocoa Smooth Daily Eye Cream. By the way, all of these products smell like coconut, so hopefully you guys like that. If not, give it away for Christmas. If anything in this package, if you happen to win it, you can feel free to distribute it amongst your family and friends if you feel you don't want anything, or if there's some items you don't want. It's a great time to give gifts. So here is the Curology Cleanser. I also have Curology Rich Moisturizer. both of those to give away. This is the Real Her I Am Inspiring Definer Brow Pencil. This is in the shade, I actually don't know. It doesn't say. It's a brow pencil though. I'm not gonna open everything because this is gonna be way too long, and I really want to get to the point of the giveaway, which is to show you what's in and how to enter and stuff. This is the Vita Liberata Organic Tan Infused Cloth for face and body. This is like a tanning cloth to tan yourself, which I think is pretty cool. I'm almost positive it will not work for my skin complexion. There are very few tanning products that do. And yes, I do love tanning products. I got a spray tan once. I didn't believe in that, but my skin looks so glowy and just bronzy and when I got it done, and I miss it. And I can't find any tanning products that work for my skin complexion. So if you happen to know of any, and you're dark, or if you know of any and you're not dark, please let me know down below. Email me, DM me on Instagram, please, because I'm on the hunt for some. I can't find any that's darker than me though. This is the Woman by Ralph Lauren Perfume Body Lotion. This came in a fragrance set. Can't use those strong lotions. Tyson hates them as well, so I don't even bother using them. My husband doesn't really like strong fragrance lotions. He likes the fragrance, but not the lotion. This is the Almay Skin Perfecting Comfort Care Primer Base Foundation Primer. I don't really use foundation primer, and I don't want to waste, so it's in here. Also from Neutrogena, Matte Primer and Serum Shine Control. This seems to be like a foundation primer as well. Yes. So if you have oily skin, here you go. Or if you want it to be like waterproof underneath, there you go. This is the ColourPop Volumizer Mascara in the shade Blue Your Mind. It's a blue mascara. Blue is a popular color of colored mascara, so why not? I have the Juice Beauty Phyto Pigments Luminous Lip Crayon in Helzberg. I don't think I'm gonna open the actual crayon because I don't want to mess it up. But let me see if you can see the color from the outside. Okay, it's like a pink. What's that? I'm not gonna open it. I could, but well, the crayons are super soft and delicate, and I just know I'm gonna screw it up, so I'm not gonna try it. This is the Juice Beauty Phyto Pigments Brow Envy Gel. This is in the shade Light Medium. I believe this has a spool on the end, so if you want to experiment with that type of product, there you go. Also have another shade for you. This one is medium. Sorry. I have a ColourPop Glitter Lip Obsessed Body Glitter. This is in Disco Lady. Hello Body Cocoa Rich Lip Balm, and also their Cocoa Kiss Lip Scrub. These smell amazing. They feel great on the lips. This is Bite Beauty Matte Cream Lip Crayon in Glacé. Seems to be like a neutral mauve pink. This is Ace Beauté Draw It Lip Liner Duo Set. I'm not sure the color because it doesn't say, but I think this is, yes, this is like that red and nude. This came in last month's BoxyCharm. I told you guys I was going to give this away because I don't use lip liners like I should, and I don't want it to go to waste, or them to go to waste, so giveaway. This is the Almay Brow Styler in Clear. So if those brow products don't work for you, or if you just want a clear brow gel, here you go. I have another lip pencil. This is Italia Deluxe Soft Pink Ultrafine Lip Liner. This will go great with some of those lip products in here. I have more lip products too, so don't worry. This is Wet n Wild Color Icon Loose Pigment in Unicorn Wishes. It's a nice, gorgeous blue, like a periwinkle type of color. I really like it, sort of. It might even be more blue. I don't know, I've never swatched it. Just looks like it from the packaging. I have another one. This is Pegasus Flutter. Wet n Wild used to be one of my favorite brands. I have not used them in years, so I'm not sure how those work. I have a ton of pigments. There's no need for me to keep them, you know, and waste them. Use them once and then move on to something else. This is Wet n Wild Think Pink Mega Last Lip Color. These lip colors are amazing. I used to use these a lot back in the day. Super affordable, super creamy, pigmented. Yes. This is the NYX Licorice Lane Matte Lipstick. Just a lipstick. It's easy to put back in. It's like a pinkish reddish color. Try not to talk on it. Unsanitary. This is the Jordana Easy Liner for Lips in Pink Love. Hopefully you guys like lip liners because there's a ton in here. That would actually go great with that Wet n Wild lip color. If you want to layer that, you know, put it around it to line it, or fill your entire lips in with it, then put the lip color on top. Intensity, pigmentation. Yes. This is the e.l.f. Lip Definer and Lip Shaper. It has a liner on one end and a sharpener, and then on the other end, being really careful. Okay, it's another like pencil type product. Y'all have to play with this and see what it is, because I've never used that type of product before. Just let me know how you like it, okay? Josie Maran, The Good Brow. More brow products, I know. Fill and Chill Light Medium. There's your lighter side, there's your medium on this side. And I think with these, you can like highlight underneath your brow and fill in with the other side. It's a pretty cool product. You also have that sharpener in here to sharpen it. Convenient. This is the Wet n Wild. I was like, oh my god, I broke it. But this is like a Halloween edition. Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. This is in Caught in Your Web. It has a skull in it, if you can see that. You probably cannot. But it has a skull pattern in the background. We're almost done, I promise. This is another brow product. This is from Hourglass. It's a brow micro sculpting pencil in ash. Comes in a package like this. Bunch of sample pigments and glitters from Cutie Pop. Y'all know this is one of my closest friends' brand. And these are a bunch of samples that she sent me with one of my orders. And I thought I would give someone a chance to try them because I love her pigments. I love her products. So I'm not just saying that because she's my friend. She has really great products. This is the Revlon Ultra Matte Last something. It's sealed up. But this is the color. I don't want to remove the sticker because I think that's great, especially for shipping purposes. I should leave it, but it's one of those long wear lip colors. Okay, I have another brow product. This is the MAC Big Boost Fiber Gel and Stud. This is a darker color if you have darker hair like I do. Whether you have light or darker hair, you have a brow product in here. You can be assured about that. This is the L'Oreal Brilliant Eyes Liquid Shadow. I don't know what color it is. It doesn't say. Looks like that color. This is the Almay sounds better. Eyeliner crayon in black brown. I'm sure you could use this on your brows too if you wanted, because it's a darker brown, black brown. Princesa Kohl lip pencil in rosy brown. So many lip pencil options, guys. Wet n Wild Multi-Stick in Pearl. This is like one of those jumbo pencils I use as a base, primer-ish. And then lastly, I have the Jordana Easy Liner for lips. No, not lastly, I have 3 more products. 4, 5, whew, okay. Rose Crush Retractable Pencil. This is a lip liner too, it's lighter. So if you're more of a lighter pink girl or guy, here you go. All right, 2 more products. No, 2 more lip products, yeah. This is a NYX Licorice Lane Matte Lipstick, Heart of Coal. This is like a black. Not for fans of heart at all. Just to let you know. This is the NARS Audacious Lipstick in Rita. Very pretty red. So the cutest lipstick, if you just want to keep it, you know, as a souvenir or something. It has NARS written on there. This is super adorable. There you go, you can see it on there. And then the packaging has NARS too. NARS has the most luxe lipstick packaging. And then 3 more products. I have 3 sponges for you from e.l.f. I have a total face sponge. You can use it wet or dry. It tells you on there. I have blending sponge and a precision concealer sponge. I'll show you all 3 side by side in case you're interested. Okay, so that's all my giveaway products. Rules will be down below, and also on the Gleam widget, you will have different options on how to increase your chances of winning, because the more interest you have, the better chance you have of winning. And a few of my options for additional interest are going to be to follow my brand new social pages, because I will have social media pages complementing my YouTube page. So I'll have brand new Instagram page, brand new Facebook, brand new Pinterest, and brand new Twitter. I'm not doing a TikTok because I don't even do TikTok barely on the page I have, so it's just pointless to start a second one for that. I don't tweet as often as I should either, but I need to. Rules will be down below. Very easy to enter. Just, you know, check those out. Good luck to everyone. And if you don't win, don't worry. Louis Vuitton giveaway is next. But in order to enter that and be considered for that giveaway, you have to be subscribed to my second channel, which will be linked down below. I might link it up here too, if I'm able to do that. I think I am able to link to another YouTube channel. If not, it'll be down there for sure. So yeah, good luck. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.